and welcome to Ghanem-Marketing. Today I will show you how you can install Twitter pixel code inside your website. So the first thing you have to do here, you'll go to a profile icon, then we'll go to Analytics, then you will go to More, Conversion Tracking, then you will go to View Code and Installation Instructions. We'll take this code, right? Then I'll go back to Google Tag Manager, go to the tags, new tag, rename it, pixel. Then I will go to find where's the Twitter pixel code. So type here Twitter, turn the pixel site tag. Then I will put the code here and save. Add a trigger. I will fire this code for all pages inside my website. Then save. That's it. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.